Welcome back to Penetration Testing in the Healthcare Sector. Section 2. Key Areas for Attack. In Section 2, we will have a look at what is unmanaged devices. We're going to go through Bluetooth device testing. From there, we're going to go into the IoT device theories, or the Internet of Things. And lastly, we will have a look at how to hack a wireless network. But let's start Video 1 with unmanaged devices. When I'm referring to an unmanaged device, I'm referring to something that is not supported by the hospital's technical team. Or, in other words, you taking your smartphone to work with you and it's not really a part of the company, yet you're still using it in the company. We look at things like, for example, Bluetooth keyboards. That's those little keyboards that doctors or people have with them. We also look at smart TVs, mobile phones of either the patients or the actual doctors, their tablets. And we can even have a look at things like routers and switches that lack built-in security. When I'm referring to those routers, I don't know about you, but at my house, I have got one of these little routers that, well, it does everything for me. And I think the most security that it has is, I don't know, maybe MAC filtering. But it's not a massive router, and I can only connect like 16 or so concurrent devices to it. So it's nothing massive, it's not that expensive, and, well, it lacks built-in security. Now, the thing with an unmanaged device is you have to remember, what you cannot see, you cannot protect. And endpoint visibility is sort of what you're going to need if you want to have your cybersecurity area really, really successful. I mean, think about this. It only takes one breach of one of those devices to be compromised, to really compromise the entire network. And in this type of sector, it can cost a life. So the question remains, is tech a win or is it actually a downfall?